pollution issue, it's more increased pollution, pollutant residues will be there in the lake, and reduced water quality. And another thing is reduced fish food and biodiversity from the lake. And consequences level is 1, livelihood is 2, and risk level is 2. This is related to the ecological well-being. If you look at the human well-being in this lake, the issues we have identified 4 issues: food availability, income level, accidents, and public health. If you look at the food availability, it's decrease in availability of fish quantity from the lake in the coming 5 years. The consequence level is 3, likelihood is 3, and risk level is 9. If you look at from the point of income levels of the fisher folk, and reduced income levels to the fisher folk incomes, and poor sales, which will affect their income levels, and the consequence is 3, then likelihood is 4, and risk level is about 12. If you look at the accidents to the fisher folk, because it's a zone of hippopotamus conservation zone, and there will be increased incidents to the fisher folk with hippopotamus, and the consequence level is 3, likelihood is 3, then the risk level is 9. And if you look at the point of from the public health, particularly the diseases, health, and all these things, increased diseases to the fisher folk, increased outbreaks, and the consequence level will be 2, likelihood is 3, and risk level is 6. Okay. Do you have something to add? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ron.
Any questions? Let's have other presentations at once.
If not, I have two brief ones, then you can go for lunch.
Okay. Okay.
This one is more a management issue. People are fishing with fish size is a management issue, because that means there's certain regulation people are not following. So here you could say, but what is the consequence for the fish stock with that people are fishing with illegal mesh size? Maybe a large part of the small sized, the juveniles are removed. Okay, then you say heavy pressure on juvenile fish, something like that. Okay. What is the consequence of this on the fish stock? Let me think. This one is almost the same. You have the issue is food availability, and the predicted consequences is that there's
Reduce
less food.
in fish
So
quantity.
almost like the same.
Fish
So
quantity.
you could maybe say less food availability or less fish available. Predicted consequence: people have less fish to eat, or something like a protein deficiency for people in the menu and
The nutrition, the diet.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Tot ziens.